Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter 2 the of French Revolution, main causes of French Revolution. First cause, the growing power of the middle class. The French merchants, traders, manufacturers, doctors, teachers, and other professionals had acquired wealth and became economically powerful in the 18th century. However, they had social equality and political rights. So they used power to overthrow the ancient regime. Next cause, influence of new ideas. So the revolutionary writings and ideals of great political philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, Montesquieu, and Diderot created an intellectual fervor in France. They advocated the famous doctrine of equality, liberty, and fraternity. So these three, equality and fraternity, changed the mind of the people. They inspired the people to rise against all forms of inequality, injustice, and corruption. The middle class of France was greatly influenced by these revolutionary ideas of the philosophers. Through their writings, the philosophers mainly exposed the evils of French society and the government. So they inspired the people to revolt and fight for. They became famous for his greatly inspired and revolutionary statement. So he said, but everywhere he is in chains. So Voltaire here, the great philosopher, his real name Francois Marie Arouet, religious tolerance. So he is the Jean Calas affair, the kid, I am going to kill you rather than have you converted. Treatise on tolerance. And so he said this. Anglophile, she wrote letter on the English. Voltaire said, I may not agree with what you say, but I will defend to the death your right to say it. He participated in many top intellectual circles throughout Europe. He exiled from France and twice imprisoned in the Bastille for his controversial philosophy. He admired religious and political toleration in England. So, optimism versus pessimism. Next, Montesquieu, his name Charles Louis de Secondet, and Persian letters, that is 1721, satirizes contemporary institutions, that is Parliament. Spirit of the Laws, 1748. Was an ideal model for government, favored monarchies tempered by intermediary institutions, check and balances, as involved in visibility of public offices, and he believed that there was not one right type of government, depend on your state only. So he said, to be truly great, one has to state not above them. Then Rousseau, his full name, Jean Jacques Rousseau, is a Genevieve philosopher, writer, composer. During childhood, he often read in the tranquility of a public garden, which he later describes as the most serene growing up. His mother's name is Susan Bernard Rousseau, his spouse, his wife, Therese, 1743 to 1744, secretary to the French ambassador in Venice. In 1700, of the social conduct, principles of political right. Then Diderot. So Denis Diderot was a French philosopher, art critic and writer. He was a notable and esteemed figure during the Enlightenment. The next cause, autocratic monarchy. The French king was an autocrat. He enjoyed power. His will was considered as law. Even Parliament did not have any right to keep a check on his power. He was, in fact, divine right. In this way, he was answerable only to God and not to the French people. Corrupt administration. The French administrators were corrupt and inefficient. They were selfish and not concerned about the welfare of people. So their king, Louis XVI, was pleasure loving and extravagant. He was completely indifferent to the suffering to the common people. Extravagant means that is careless, especially in spending. He was greatly influenced by his beautiful and ambitious wife, Marie Antoinette. Both of them lived lavishly, carelessly. They squandered money on festivities and were pleasure-loving people who emptied the royal treasury. Louis XVI was the last king of France before the fall of the monarchy during the French Revolution. He was referred to as Louis Capet during the 4 months just before he was executed by guillotine. In 1765, upon the death of his father, Louis Dauphin of France, he became the new Dauphin. Next, involvement in foreign wars. The economic bankruptcy of France was further aggravated by its involvement in useless wars against England. Along with that, he gave huge support to the War of Independence in America. The rich continued to be exempted from paying taxes, while poor were crushed under heavier taxation in order to cover up heavy expenditure incurred in these wars. Next cause, influence of the American Revolution. The French generals and soldiers who had fought in the American Revolution returned to France with revolutionary ideas. They inspired the people to fight against unjust, despotic government. The success of American revolutionary en- enthused the French people and encouraged them to rebel. Voltaire and Rousseau inspired people with revolutionary ideas of liberty and equality of all men in society. The evils done by the autocratic King Louis XVI, his ambitious wife Marie Antoinette, the clergy and the nobility were highlighted.